Greetings from Kotak Mutual Fund. In the field of cricket, on a betting pitch, batsmen generally do well. On a bowling pitch, bowlers do well. Same way, in the market, there are factors which does well in a particular environment. Sometimes when there is uncertainty on outlook, value or quality factor does well. Sometimes when outlook is uncertain, value or quality factor works well. Sometimes when outlook is very bullish, momentum comes into play. Different factors in different circumstances outperforms the market. Following this factor to build portfolio is commonly known as factor-based investing. There are multiple factors: value, quality, momentum. Even in momentum, sometimes people chase price, sometimes they chase earnings. As Warren Buffett said, stocks are slave of earning. It's very, very rare where a stock price does not follow earnings. Now, in earnings also, there is one what is known as absolute earning. Company ने कितना मुनाफा बनाया. The second earning is whether it meets expectation or whether it beats expectation. Undoubtedly, over longer term, investing in companies which are exceeding street estimate are likely to do better. You have seen in global markets, companies beat estimate by a small margin and stock prices go up disproportionately. This phenomena is repeating across many markets, and which is why we are launching Kotak Active Momentum Fund. This fund is focused on earnings momentum. This fund tracks about 250 companies for which analyst estimates are available about the earnings. Wherever we see earnings are rising, wherever we believe street is enhancing earnings estimate, those are the stocks where we believe earnings momentum will come into play, and we will build our portfolios, albeit through the measures of diversification as well as liquidity, to create portfolio of Kotak Active Momentum Fund. If we go by the backtesting of this model, it has done reasonably well in line with market. As is common with any factor-based investing, there are cycles. There are cycles where earnings momentum does well, and there are cycles where there is underperformance. Obviously, sometimes there is also higher portfolio churn. In active fund management by Kotak Mutual Fund, we prefer buy and hold over lot of portfolio churn. But when you are following factor investing, then as factors change, you will have to churn your portfolio. Overall, this fund is appropriate for investors who have higher appetite for risk. These are funds where you should be investing on a systematic investment basis. Do remember that these are fairly valued market, and hence having long-term investment horizon with moderate return expectations will be appropriate. Kotak Active Momentum Fund is our step towards factor investing. It's based on stocks are slave of earning fundamental. It will track street estimate of earnings and upgrade in the same to build portfolios across large, mid and small cap stocks. It will be diversified portfolio It provides an alternative to invest in portfolio of companies whose profits are growing or exceeding market expectation. This fund will open for subscription on 29th of July and will remain open till 12th of August. Look forward to your participation. Thank you.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.